Hello, my name is Freeman and I work at Hitex. Our headquarters is located on the middle west coast of Taiwan. Easily accessible within 1 hour train ride from the international airport. We have also set up a European office located in Ireland to be service our customers all over the world. Hitex is well known for its breadth with the technical performance fabric used for the outdoor sports and extreme weather. Moreover, we are very knowledgeable in the safety workwear market. Over the year, we have spent much more effort focusing on the sustainability of our products. An important concept in the textile sector, we have acquired numerous certificates such as OEKO-TEX 100 and bluesign, and we are on track to have a GIS certificate in 2021.
HiWork. This is the Hitex workwear fabrics collection. We have a full range of high visibility yellow, orange, and red fabrics that comply with European norm, the EN 20471, and the American norm, the NC 107. Combined with our outdoor fabric knowledge, we also have achieved the highest level of wet weather in workwear markets, the EN 343. Not just for safety, the HiWork collection also aims to be the most comfortable in workwear. Our newest innovation is the eco-green production of high-visibility fabrics. These innovations greatly reduce our water consumption and reduce CO2 footprint, meeting or surpassing all strict requirements in workwear tests. Loop of eco-recycled. At Hitex, we have fabrics that are made from recycled yarns, biodegradable material, and nature fibers such as wool, cotton, etc. However, this was not enough for us. We wanted to develop fabrics that can be recycled again after wear. After years of trial and error, we have successfully launched a series of synthetic, waterproof, and breathable fabrics that can be recycled. By wearing a rain jacket made from our products, it will not be a one-time use only jacket. It can be recycled for another industrials again. Pet wear. Pet wear market has been one of the Hitex important business for the past 15 years. We manufacture the best waterproof and breathable fabrics that can be made into either horse rugs or dog rugs, providing the best value for our customers. As the pet wear market gets trendier these years, we also developed quite a few functional fabrics for this market, such as warm retention, wicking, anti-statics, etc. Virus protection. The latest surge of COVID-19 pandemic has opened up the demand for medical PPE market. Our newest medical fabric development has been certified to different level of EU and USA standards, from single-use to reusable surgical gowns or isolation gowns. Our customers can find a whole collections here in our fabrics. We feel much honored and proud to play an important part as the PPE material supplier when the world needs us most.
Higher your vision is our company motto. We are never satisfied with the status quo and always look into the future of the textile industry. Our customer from different industry has given us many brilliant ideas for innovation. We are thankful for our customers and know our responsibility are to provide a more comfortable and more efficient wear experience. Wear smart and smart wear. That will always be our key drive purpose when we develop new fabric for the outdoor sport and workwear uniforms.